Let's talk about Storm Tracker 4 here, and you can see that we have all changed over to snow, and those dark blues are heavy snow coming down. And I mean, people are messaging me, and I'm hearing from coworkers and friends that it is really coming down in spots, and we're going to have snow falling at the rate of 1 inch an hour for a while. So just be aware. Now, one way we know how heavy the snow is, well, we talked about this a couple of weeks ago with that last winter storm, visibilities. Then you can see Pontiac, we're down to 1/10 of a mile visibility in Pontiac. That is heavy snow. Ann Arbor, down to 1/4 mile visibility. These numbers are rounded off to the nearest 1/10 of an inch. So 1/4 mile visibility in Ann Arbor, that is heavy snow. Jackson, heavy snow at 1/4 mile. Moderate snow in Howell, that is 1/2 mile visibility. Same thing over Mount Clemens, 1 mile visibility. So a little bit lighter down to the south in some locations, at least what the airports are showing. All right, temperatures have fallen pretty much into the 20s everywhere. The one holdout, Grosse Ile, you're at 30 degrees, but we have fallen steadily through the day as expected, and we're going to keep falling through the night down to about 10 degrees by tomorrow morning. All right, once again, Storm Tracker 4, I want to now take this view and widen it out, and you can see how much of this stuff we still have yet to come through. Now, there is a dry area right here, but that's moving northeast, and I think that's going to stay just southeast of us. So we have all of this right here yet to come through. So that's why we're looking at a duration of snow that's going to last well into the evening hours. So let's just show you on the model. This is the latest computer model into our system here, and you can see the snow continuing through mid-evening, and then as we get into the midnight hour, it's starting to diminish from west to east across the area. There could be some lake effect bands that impact the shoreline here down to Port Huron, but the wind will turn more northwesterly overnight and push that stuff off into Ontario, and by tomorrow morning we should get some sunshine, but then we'll call it partly cloudy to partly sunny as we move through the afternoon hours. And then tomorrow night we need to talk about this cold front right here. This is going to bring, it's not so much heavy snow. We'll get maybe less than 1 inch of snow, but it's the wind, which we'll talk about in 1 second. But right now, let's first talk about tonight's snow. I'm thinking an average of 4 to 7 inches across the area, and if any heavier bands set up and sit over any one particular area, we could pick up an 1/8 inch. And also, watching the Port Huron area, if any of those lake bands get to you, you could pick up an 1/8 inch of snow or even a little more as well. And then the Saturday night wind, look at this. This is 11 p.m. Friday night, 11 p.m. Wind gusts could approach or exceed 50 miles per hour with those snow showers coming through with that cold front. So tonight, the snow ends dropping down to 10 single digits in the rural areas. And then tomorrow, we're going to get up to about 25 degrees. But notice, still a little breezy, so it's going to feel colder than that 25. And we should get mostly sunny skies in the morning, but then some cloudiness in the afternoon. So 23 on Saturday, 40 on Sunday. Now, breezy both days, but you'll notice the warm up here. But then we have another system, not as potent as this one, but it looks like another wintry mix coming in Monday night into Tuesday, and then as you can see behind that, more cold air coming back in, guys.